All right, what's going on, everybody? How you guys doing? Welcome to FXProNow.com. My name is Philip Anglade, and my goal is to be able to help you to become a FX Pro Now and also become a safe yet profitable trader. So what we're looking at right now is GBPJPY. When it comes to GBPJPY, what I called a little while ago is the fact that we are at a level of resistance on the higher time frame. And for this level of resistance to continue, being the fact that for the last um, months, yeah, months, literally, for the last couple months, probably even longer than the last couple months. I'm going to go to the daily so we can be able to see this a little clearer. For the last couple months, let me see. Yeah, I'm just going to go right here. Yeah, so the last couple months, more than the last couple months, but whatever. I will just start it here. Still has some space, but I don't see it continue. I see it pushing down and then continuing, if anything. All right, so let's say that the level of resistance, let's just say the level of resistance is based upon this first level of resistance that we have right here. All right, boom, level of resistance. Bam. So this has started in July of 2018. Okay, so we've been in the same area. Man, that is wow. Since July of 2018, it's just been hitting the same thing. Anyways, so bomb, push down, bomb, push down, bomb, push down. I don't know, the last stretch and then push down? I don't know. Anyway, so I'm just going to follow the trend, and the trend says, hey, when price gets to this level of resistance at 148.3, finds a level of resistance and then continues to the downside. Also on the weekly time frame, when we go into the weekly time frame, you see lower lows and lower highs forming, which is cool. All right, so let's go ahead and see where we're at right now. Let's go to the H4 time frame and dial in a bit. And dial in, we'll see the fact that even on this area, there's a level of resistance. We have level of resistance that was formed here. We have price pass through this area, but that does not mean anything. And when you take the You Are the Indicator course that we have on fxpronow.com, you're going to realize that this is just what we call a tested candle. Price did not break its support. The price did not break its resistance. It was literally just right there. Yeah, it's literally tested. It tested that level of resistance. And then from there, not only did it test it once, it tested it twice. Beautiful. I'm seeing a continuation of the downside, and this move is going to be beautiful. All right, let's go to the lower time frame so we can really see more details. You're probably wondering, okay, why did I go to the M30 time frame? Well, there's a reason for everything. And what do we see? Resistance. Tested. Beautiful. Boom. Resistance. 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 Break of support. We got it. Got it. Huh. Huh. Break of support. Beautiful. Beautiful. The retest. And we will look for, and mark my words. No, I don't want to I don't want to speak like that. But anyways, just you may see a continuation to the downside. All right, God is good. All right, so boom, point A, and then point B. There's a possibility that price could continue to say a 61.8. There's a possibility that price can go back to this level of resistance. There's a possibility that price can go to 100%. There's even a possibility that price can go to 110%. I don't see it going to this area. But there's a possibility that anywhere in between here, price could push up and then from there continue to the downside. And my take profit is based upon the H4 time frame My entry is based upon the M30 time frame. And when it comes to my take profit, I am looking for price to at the least get to point A. No. How am I going to do this? Boom. No. From point A to point B. Back to this level of consolidation, I'm guessing. Anyways, I'm looking for price to go back to this 140.777. That's literally what the actual move is. But I just find that pretty interesting. I'm just going to put this one lower time frame. Let me just look at this a little bit. For a second, I think we had it going back to 140.5, but yeah, I'm just gonna look for this to just go back to 144.1 for now. Just for now. Yeah, 144.1 for now. I'm not gonna look for it to go to 140.777 as of yet, but just 144.0 for now, which is still like a 300 pip move. Yeah. All right. So I greatly appreciate your time, guys. That's GJ. If you have any questions at any point in time, you can be able to go into fxpronow.com. That's my website. We have a three-step system to be able to help you to become an FX Pro now. And when you go into that website and you check out our three-step system, what happens is step number one is to be able to go into get into our group chat and also get into our Facebook group. The way they can be able to get those credentials is by putting your email, and then we'll go ahead and actually send it over. Step number two is, and when you get into our group chat, you can be able to get access to everything that we're doing. Literally right away, I put up and stuff like that into our group chats, and also a whole bunch of stuff in my Facebook as well. Step number two is to go ahead and actually get into our YouTube channel, because every single Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday at 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we go on live doing stuff just like this on many different pairs, and you can be able to actually check them out when you click on the subscribe button and then click on the bell right after. Step number three is to go ahead and actually check out our You Are the Indicator course, because if you like anything that we're doing here, and if you're gaining any type of value from it, if anything, if you're getting this for free, just imagine when you actually take our course, how much value you're going to get. And then from there, I want you to check out some stories from people that have gone ahead and actually taken the course. You never know, there may be somebody that you may relate with, and that may be that spark that you're looking for. Okay, really appreciate your time, guys. Let's become an FX Pro now together. Let's get it.